Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an amazing platform from where you can able to earn 50, 100,000 and $10,000 every day. People are earning right now from this platform, and I'm going to tell you all the secrets how you can able to earn it. But no, I'm not talking about YouTube, Blogger, Instagram, Facebook. No, I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about stock market. Yes, I'm a full-time trader and I also make videos on YouTube as well of technologies. I also do trading every day on stock market. But there is a truth which you have to accept that 95% of people lose money in stock market. Only 5% people regularly earning money from stock market. The reason is there is a secret, and that secret I'm going to reveal today with you. And trust me that after this video you can easily earn money from stock market. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now this is a chart of Ultratech Cement. This is a company, this is a very good company, and if you see here the chart is absolutely going up and up and up. See this? But right now if you see there, if somebody buy here and booked his profit at this place, he would be earning so much of money. See this? The price was 3754 and when he sold it, it was 4664. But how would you know that the price is going to be up now? This is the secret which I'm going to show here, and I'm going to reveal everything to you right now. Now, let's start with the basic first of all. I'm going to tell you some basic how this stock market properly works, and then I will let you know how you can able to earn money from stock market every single day just sitting at your home. Now if you see here, there are some candles which is red and the green. And if we talk about the green and red candles, this one, let's talk about this one. This is the red candle. The price of this candle start from this point and it goes till this point, this wick. There is a very small wick here, that's a red wick. It goes till here, then it's drop down and close it at this price. Now if we talk about any green candle, the price start from here, goes till here, this is the wick, and goes till here and close it at this price. So the red candles is a symbol of that the price is going down, and the green candle is a symbol of the price is going up. That's a very simple basic which everybody know. I know that. I'm just telling you just to give you some information. Now let's talk about the market, how the market goes. If you talk about the market always goes onto this way. It never goes onto the straight. This is the upward, this is the market goes upside, and there is a one market which is called sideways. The market goes like this. And there is also a market which is goes bearish market. That means it's going down. The market never goes like this and no like this, never no. It won't go like this. It always goes in this way. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. This is the sideways, how it goes sideways every time, not going up, not going down. It is into the sideways, and it moves always into the range. And this is the downward. You can also sell the price from here, and you can also buy it here as well, and you get some profit as well. Now these are the basic which you have to know before you start doing anything in the stock market. But now let's talk about some main feature of the stock market which everybody should know if you want to earn money from stock market, which I also follow, which every trader who is earning money from stock market, he's also follow those steps, that you also have to follow those steps. The first thing which you have to have, that is strategy. You should have to have a strategy how you are going to be trade. There are so many of strategies being told by every trader on YouTube. You can find it lots of strategies on YouTube how they are trading in stock market. You can choose any one of them. You can do a back test of that strategy. You can check everything from the previous data, that is that strategy properly work or not, how many time it is working, and everything you can check one by one about that strategy. And after that, the second thing is your risk reward ratio. That means if you are taking any trade, you are putting your money into that. That means how much you are losing and how much you are gaining. If you have a risk reward ratio of 1:2, that means if you are into the lose side, you are paying only $100. But if the trade goes into your favor, then you are earning $200. That is called 1:2 ratio. Every time when you lose only $100. But every time when you succeed and the trade goes into your favor, that means you are getting $200 every time. If you have any 1:2 risk reward ratio, then nobody can stop you to earn money from stock market, because there is no strategy in this stock market which can give you 100% strike rate, because every strategy has some low point. So if you are losing money in that strategy as well, don't leave your strategy. keep working on that, but whenever your trade goes into your favor, you will be earning huge money. If I calculate your 10 trades 1:2 ratio, let's suppose you have a strike rate of 50-50. That means half of the time your strategy works and half of the time your strategies do not work. Still, if you calculate this amount, you're still in the profit of $500 in a week. This $500 automatically increase when you increase your quantity. When you have back tested your strategy, when you have worked a lot on your strategy and everything is going good, then you keep on increasing your quantity on your stock as well. Every day you stock, you might lose or you might win. But how many times you win, that is called strike rate. And if your strike rate keep on increasing, like if you are doing 50-50, then you are 60-40 and then 70-30. If you are keep on increasing, then you will see that you will be earning a lots of money from stock market as well. These are the two rules you have to follow if you want to succeed into the stock market, because there is no trader in this world who haven't lose his money from stock market. No trader has the 100% accuracy strategy. Every trader has the strategy, but it never works 100%. So you should have to have a strategy, and your risk reward ratio should be 1:2 or 1:1.5. But there are some of the strategies are there also on YouTube. You can search on this one, which can also give you the risk reward ratio is to 1:3 as well. But you have to choose, you have to back test and start with a very nominal amount of $10 or $15 or $20, and then keep on working for 1 month or 2 months, and after that you will see that you are getting better and better. And just follow these rules and be in discipline and follow the strategy and do the risk reward ratio in your favor, and you will see that you will start getting succeeded into the stock market. Now let's review all the rules and regulations again one by one. What exactly you need to do if you really want to earn money from stock market. First of all, start with very small amount for 1 or 2 months. You have to start with very small amount and take a trade of 1 or 2 quantity, not more than that, and test your strategy as well. You have to have a strategy. You should try 1, 2 or 3 strategies. Make sure that you will do the back test of those strategies as well with the previous data for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months if that strategy properly work or not. If it works properly, then start using that strategy in your daily trading account. The third thing, the strategy which you are going to follow, it should have to have 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. That means when you lose only $100, but when you win, you should have to have $200 or $300. Fourth thing, you should have to have the discipline. Never do the overtrading, never do anything else. Just follow your rules one by one, 1 or 2 months, and then slowly start increasing the quantity of the trades, and then you will start earning money from stock market. As I told you that the people who are earning money from stock market, they only follow their rules and be in discipline when they trade into the market. This is a business. This is not a place where you can earn a lots of money. But yes, you can earn a huge money, but if you are into the discipline. Follow your strategies, follow your steps, everything should be proper. Keep getting knowledge, and you will see that there is a thing which you have where you can able to get money very easily. If you really want to work in stock market, then do let me know in the comment box. I'll surely help you and let you know what kind of strategy you should have, and I will also surely guide you step by step how you need to proceed. This is a different kind of video I have made first time, because my subscriber always ask me to give some kind of application from where they can earn money in a part-time. But there is nothing bigger than this where you can able to earn money from part-time, but you have to follow some rules and everything, which I have already discussed with you in this video. I hope you like this video. Any question related to stock market, if you want to start with the stock market, do let me know in the comment box. I will surely help you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.